Return to your logged in homepage by clicking the Omaha Paper Company logo in the upper left corner of the page. Next, let's look at the shopping list functionality. Shopping lists can be unique to individual logins. Let's click on the shopping list in the topmost navigation menu pointed to by the red arrow with the number 1. The shopping list page displays after clicking on the shopping list link in the topmost navigation area. The first step here is to select your shopping list. Click on the arrow icon pointed to by the red arrow with the number 1. After clicking on the arrow icon near the red arrow with the number 1, the selection of shopping lists are displayed. Here we see the shopping lists, and in this case we are selecting the one named Test Custom Shopping List. Of course, you will name your shopping list with verbiage that is applicable to your list, such as paper, chemicals, packaging, etc. In this example, we will click on the shopping list named Test Custom Shopping List, which is pointed to by the red arrow with the number 2. After clicking on the shopping list titled Test Custom Shopping List, the name of the shopping list replaces the previous text, which was Select, in the box next to the label Select List. At this point, the shopping list is not shown. The List Details button, pointed to by the red arrow with the number 2, must always be clicked before the selected list will show. This is true even when changing between two lists in the Select List box. Remember, the list will not automatically retrieve after selecting a new list through the Select List field. So, click on the List Details button, which is pointed to by the red arrow with the number 2. After clicking the List Details button, the shopping list named Test Custom Shopping List is shown. By the red arrow with the number 1, the name of the shopping list is displayed. Also, you may notice a small circle of dots with the word Loading near the red arrow with the number 1. That indicates that the shopping list is loading. Remember, if you want to select another shopping list, always click the List Details button near the red arrow with the number 2, since the previous list that you displayed will be shown until you click that button. The functionality of this page is similar to the Reorder List page. The product ID is a clickable field to the product detail page. To order these products using the shopping list, place an order quantity in the quantity field and click the shopping cart icon right next to the quantity field to add the item to the cart. Next, let's discuss how to add shopping cart lists. Near the red arrow with the number 4, click on the button Manage Lists. You will see the shopping list names displayed. As pointed to by the red arrow with the number 1, you may see the word Delete on the right side, which corresponds to the shopping list names on the left. Delete is a link that will delete the entire shopping list. If you do not see the word Delete on your login, that functionality is not enabled for your login. The red arrow with the number 3 points to a box where the new shopping list name can be entered. And then the Save link is clicked by the red arrow with the number 2 to save that new shopping list name. Let's see how that works. Here we have entered a new shopping list name, Towels, pointed to by the red arrow with the number 3. Then we click the Save link by the red arrow with the number 2. The towel shopping list is then placed in the list, and another empty box for another shopping list name is available once again by the red arrow with the number 3. By the red arrow with the number 4 is the Custom Shopping List area. We will not cover that functionality in this website tour. To add a product to a shopping list, we will jump back to the product list page that we viewed previously. Notice the shopping list icon pointed to by the red arrow with the number 1. When that icon is clicked, the shopping list pop-up window displays. This is pointed to by the red arrow with the number 2. Here you see the shopping list names displayed, including the new list that we added named Towels. The product ID can be added to the list by clicking on the word Add in the shopping list pop-up window. To exit the pop-up shopping list window, Click the Close icon, which is the X pointed to by the red arrow with the number 3.